To make your presentation look more professional and visually appealing, you can use slide transition effects in PowerPoint 365. These transitions help make the shift between slides smoother and more engaging for your audience. To start, select the slide that you want to add a transition effect to. Then go to the Transitions tab on the toolbar. This tab contains various transition effects that you can apply to the selected slide. Each effect determines how the slide will appear or disappear during the presentation. You can choose from many different styles depending on the tone and purpose of your presentation. For example, you might want a subtle fade for a formal presentation or a more dynamic effect for something creative or promotional. Once you've selected the desired transition, it will be applied to the slide. If you want the same or different effects for other slides, simply select each slide one by one and repeat the process, choosing the transitions that best fit your content and presentation flow. By customizing transitions for individual slides, you can create a more polished and coordinated visual experience. Just remember to use the Transitions tab to manage and adjust all transition effects throughout your presentation. Using transitions wisely can significantly improve the viewing experience of your presentation. It allows each slide change to feel intentional and professional, enhancing both clarity and impact.